How can we add text in TinkerCAD? Text tool is part of basic shapes group. So be sure you are in basic shapes here at the very top marked with this red cube. Then you will see a text tool right here. You can simply drag it out. You are able to modify the text simply by typing over here in this pop-up box. You can modify the font as well. There are currently limited options for that. Alright, and there are 3 sliders below. Height of the letter. You can get all the way down to 0.1 if you want it to be like almost flat text. We can add some bevel to it like that. And there's also a segment option with the last slider. Alright, of course, at the top we got our colors. So you can customize that as well. Text can be used as the solid or as the whole if you want to kind of use the text to make a hole in another object. That's possible as well. So that's how you add your own text in TinkerCAD. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I will see you in the next lesson.